The Feit SEC5000 Smart Camera offers an exceptional combination of security and lighting with its powerful 5,000 lumens floodlight, ensuring that no corner is left in the dark. Equipped with advanced motion detection, this camera captures high-definition video and sends alerts when movement is detected up to 32 feet away, enhancing overall surveillance. The integrated two-way audio system allows you to communicate directly with visitors, adding a layer of convenience and security by deterring potential intruders. With compatibility for Alexa and Google Assistant, this smart camera seamlessly integrates into your smart home ecosystem, allowing for hands-free control through voice commands. The camera's ability to record in 1080-pixel high definition ensures that every detail is captured, offering clear and crisp live streaming and playback. Easy installation and a 1-year limited warranty make the Feit SE5000 a reliable and user-friendly choice for enhancing your home's security without the hassle of monthly fees.